Question 8. Solve this equation. 3 over 2x minus 3 is equal to 5 over 3x minus 1. To solve this equation, we follow these steps. First, we cross multiply to get rid of fractions. So the result will be 3 times 3x minus 1 is equal to 5 times 2x minus 3. Then distribute the numbers on both sides and we get 9x plus 3 is equal to 10x minus 15. And I add minus 9x plus 3 to both sides of the equation. So minus 9x plus 15 to first side and minus 9x plus 15 to other side. This 9x with this negative 9x will be cancelled. This negative 15 but with positive 15 will be cancelled. On the second hand side, I'll have 10x minus 9x, which will be x. And the first side will be 15 minus 3, which is 12. So x is equal to 12 is the answer for our question. X is equal to 12.